Hello and good day. Welcome to the School of RHK. Today we will be studying 6th grade mathematics. The topic is 1.1 enumeration under chapter 1, that is natural numbers and fractions. The difference between symbol or digit and number. We already know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 are arithmetic symbols or digits. Suppose we have 24 balls, 16 oranges and 4 mangoes. When we express the quantity of these objects in numeric value using a symbol or a digit, we can write like this. If we express 24 balls in numeric value, we can write 24 using 2 and 4 symbols. We can write 16 oranges using 1 and 6 symbols. And using 4 symbols, we can express 4 for the numeric value of 4 mangoes. Whenever we express the value of a subject or an object using a symbol or digit, it is called then a number. So, if arithmetic symbols or digits are used to express values, they can be called numbers. Any number greater than 9, as we have already seen above, is written by putting 2 or more digits side by side. Any number written in digits is known as enumeration. All these 10 symbols are used in the enumeration. Thank you for watching the tutorial. If you have any question, please send us email to rhkstore@gmail.com or write in comment section. We would appreciate if you subscribe, give us a thumbs up or a like. Please do share with your friends, and to receive new tutorials, do not forget to press the bell icon. Stay home and stay safe.